Good morning, everybody from Sugartown Sweets and Treats. What we're going to do today is I got a large swarm that I caught last week on Friday, and they are bigger than this box can hold, and this is the first break we've got in the weather. So I want to move them this morning, and as you can see, there's a lot of them. They're barely in the box. When I moved them, I couldn't even close it up. I had to just pick up the box and move it with them open. But it was dark, so it wasn't too terribly bad, even though they weren't thrilled about it. So what we're going to do is, like I said, we're going to move them into their home and go from there. So anyway, we're ready to go. I'm also gonna start feeding these guys because it's late in the season for swarms, and I'm gonna take all my swarm traps down when this is over with. So this, I've got 2 other swarms I got to go pick up. So let's go do this before everybody gets upset and get these guys in their permanent home. I'm gonna use some sugar water and smoke today to calm these guys down a tad, I hope, and make this as smooth as possible. So we're ready to go, and I'm going to put out a couple of extra drawn frames in there with them. Put a little sugar water on them because they don't like to fly when they're wet, and they're going to be busy getting this water off of them. Here's the other drawn out comb we're going to put in there. There's 1 or 2 in this box already, ready to go. So we just need to move these bees off to the side a tad, and then we're going to be ready to open them up. It's heavy. It's a heavy box. Well, this hive seems to have bees in it. Let's take a look, see what's going on here. I may have to go get another box real quick. I see the queen in here, but I see brood, which is odd. Brood in here. I do not see the queen. There she is, right there. Right there. Okay, so there's a queen in here. Don't want to cause her any trouble. Here, I'm going to move that over. Close this back up because they've got a queen. We'll go get another box to go over there. So basically what we got here is another swarm that came in and caught itself. So we just need to get another box to put in here. Now we got 2 swarms. Let's go ahead and give them a little food too, because they look like they need it while we're at it, since I've got everything here. Take the smoker with us. Make sure it has plenty of work left in it. Take this. Close this up. So they're good. Alright, those guys are good. What we need to do is go get another box. Go ahead and take these out of here. Might as well check this hive next door. See what we got going on. While we're here, we'll see if they need another another medium. So let's move over here where we're going to check this. See what we got going on. Busy. This would be easy to check. You just need to see how they're doing with honey. Okay, yeah. All right, they're ready for another medium. Yep, they're about to close this last one up, so we're just going to stick another medium on here. Close them up. Let them continue their job. Okay. So let's look at the ones next door and see if we need to get some more mediums out here while we're doing this for these. There's a lot of them out here, so my suspicion is they're ready. Prepare for this one real quick. We'll be prepared. Oh yeah. They're plenty ready. Yep. Don't even need to worry about it. Put it in there. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go back and pick up another hive box that's ready to go and some more medium supers, and then we'll be back. See you in a minute.